Learn how to make this dreamy banana bread loaf. This recipe is delicious and it makes a whole loaf of banana bread that's soft and dreamy. Start by mashing up 3 large, very ripe bananas. You could use a masher or an electric mixer. I literally just use my whisk, it works the same way. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3 eggs. It's very important to mix this all in, making sure everything is completely mixed in. Add in 1/4 cup of melted butter. Mix that in and then add in 1 cup of white sugar. A lot of people substitute white sugar for brown because it gives more of a sweeter taste, but I prefer my cake to not be as sweet. Then add in 1/4 cup of self-raising flour. Carefully mix in the flour, and you want to make sure that the flour and all the ingredients are completely mixed in. Once everything's mixed, you'll be left with a smooth batter that's ready to be baked. Grab out an 11 by 5 inch loaf pan, spray it with a bit of cooking oil, and then add your batter inside. Use a silicone spatula to wipe the sides of the bowl to make sure that you have all of the batter inside. Tap the loaf pan on the bench to ensure that all the air bubbles are out. I like to add a little bit of brown sugar and walnuts on top to give the loaf a bit of sweetness and crunch. Bake inside the oven at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. You will know the loaf is baked when you put a spatula inside the middle and it comes out clean. Use the same spatula to push around the sides of the tin to make sure that none of the cake is sticking to the tin and it will come out clean. Once the loaf has been cooled, it's ready to be served. This is definitely my favorite banana loaf recipe. We make it once a week and it always comes out perfect. If you're interested in more recipes, then definitely check out my channel. I have a lot more recipes uploaded and I'll see you soon.